So as you may know, like, no one else is in the cottage, and you're probably like, what the hell? But let's just say fake Leah. I am not Leah. I'm not Leah. Literally not Leah. No. Anyways, I'm in the, what the heck? Okay. Anyways, I'm in the Christmas cabin, whatever you call it, and it's almost like till February. It's almost February. Probably like, what the heck are you even doing? How'd you get in there? Today I'm gonna show you how. You're gonna buy every single game pass. No, I'm kidding. So slide right here, right there, just invisible. But you're gonna want to jump, and sometimes it takes a few tries. But you're gonna want to just like not keep jumping, but yeah, until you get up there. And then there's a chimney, and you're like, wait, did they block off the chimney with like some invisible crap? What's going on? And then I got something. Okay. And then you come out the fireplace, and you're immediately in the cabin, and you get to see all the YouTubers who put their cookies there. So that's like a great bonus. There is no presents, although I wish, because I would get all the presents. There's a little bed, 2 beds actually, and you could still sleep on them. It's like a perfect roleplay cabin until next year. Like, seriously. Unless they get rid of it, but I doubt that. It always says see you next year. And like, that made me sad. Like, I literally started crying. And so I was like, what can I do to get in here? And I came through the chimney, and I was like, yay! And I'm here. Like, I immediately thought of that anyways, but no one seems to care for it. I mean, no one cares for the cabin, but it's an adorable cabin, and I care for it so much. I love it. But this is my 3 favorite on here. Not Leah. Where is she? Okay, there's not Leah. There's a Let's Play. Megalo. Like, there's Antilik, and I know it's like spelled in teak, but there's an L, so I say Antilik. But I'm not wait, what? Not I am Santa. No, I'm not gonna be rude, but Santa sounds like Santa. So maybe her parents gave her the perfect name for that. But you cannot get out. So it's either you reset and do the whole process again, and once you want to get out, leave the game, or try to climb this ladder. And this is way more hard than the other ones. So I suggest you probably reset or leave the game. But that's all I have for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice afternoon, and I will see you in another video. Bye.